Reggae music, born in Jamaica during the 1960s, is a powerful expression of the island's culture, history, and struggles. It emerged from the fusion of various musical styles, including ska and rocksteady, reflecting the social and political landscape of the time. Pioneers like Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, and Jimmy Cliff brought reggae to international prominence, with lyrics that spoke of love, resistance, and unity. This genre became a voice for the marginalized, addressing issues such as poverty, inequality, and political unrest. As reggae evolved, it laid the groundwork for dancehall, which emerged in the late 1970s, characterized by its faster rhythms and dynamic beats. Artists like Vybz Kartel and Shenseea brought a new energy to Jamaican music, focusing on themes of celebration and everyday life. Despite its evolution, reggae continues to embody a spirit of resilience and community. Today, reggae influences global music,